I'm making a Chrome extension application for an important client. And the first thing that you need to do when you create an app, well, here's the folder that makes up a simple Chrome extension. There could be more to this, I suppose. There'll be a database, that's for sure. And that's one of the nice things that Chrome allows you to do in their extensions is have a small database, I think SQLite or some tiny SQL or whatever. But the most important thing that you need to do when you create an application is create an icon. And so I created this icon. And I'm not a graphic designer, but I used what was available to me. And what's available to me is PowerPoint. So I made it in PowerPoint, just drew some shapes. Those are the shapes you can figure out 1, 2, 3, copy of 3, and 4 with just different color fills, except for these are the same color, and it's just rotated and shortened a bit because one hand on the clock is a little bit shorter than the other. And then what you do is save it as a PNG. You also, the background, this doesn't make any difference, I guess. What did I do? I think I just selected all this, and I put it in this new paint program, and Paint3D, and then I set the pixels. Copy, paste. Showed the canvas, but I made it transparent. Made the canvas fit the image pretty much. And then I set the pixels. Let me redo. That's the 128 size. And then you go to Menu, Export to 2D PNG. And then I replaced the boilerplate PNGs that I had. I don't remember when I got them. And then I changed it again to 16. You get that ultra tiny little picture there. I have to zoom in to get it. That's 16 on your Chrome app. Where is it show? Anyway, they use it somewhere. And then here is the 128 pixel icon that's used. Probably would go up there. I don't know where the 16 goes, but probably up there. And then your UI for your Chrome app is just JavaScript and HTML. It's really simple.